LAZR is up over 7% today. Why is this? Yesterday it was up over 6%. If you watched my video on Sunday I made for you all, you would be up over 13% right now because I was showing you the charts and telling you right now is a good time to buy. But of course, welcome back to the channel. I'm only going to tell you the truth in my own opinion. None of this is financial advice. Before I get started in today's Luminar Technologies video, because you're definitely going to want to see every second of this video if you hold this stock, if you plan to buy this stock, and I'm going to show you when it's time to sell this stock. So don't forget to drop a like. I would always appreciate that. Think about subscribing if you're not subscribed yet. Your time is valuable. Let's get right into this video. So look at this setup. Looks absolutely beautiful. I have been covering LAZR for a couple months now, right? I bought in at $6.49. I told you all I'm holding. I'm not buying. I'm not selling anymore right now. I am just holding until certain price targets happen for me. And one of my first price targets, if you are part of this channel, is about $8.50. Now you can't see it on this chart, but the reason that is if you look at the very high point right there, being about almost $11, and you take a Fibonacci retracement, you bring it to the low point, this yellow line that I drew for you. Well, the 618 level brings us to about $8.58. So I just like to say $8.50. You know, I'm not perfect. I'm more conservative, I would say. I want to stay in profit. I want to help you stay in profit. And the 618 level is a zone that stocks usually tend to go to before they have a major pullback. But you can't just use Fibonacci's as a way to trade different stocks and know when to buy, sell different stocks. You have to use other indicators. And another indicator you need to use is the RSI, which is at the bottom right here. And you can see a bunch of these green lines that I drew for you. Well, these are points where this stock gets very overbought. And the first zone you want to look for is 68. Right now we're at 65. So for me, that's telling me, hey, we might have some more room to run right now being at $7.64. And that's why I haven't sold any of my shares yet. Okay, the next area is about 73 on the RSI, and then 79 is a very overbought level in my opinion for LAZR on a daily time frame. You can also see the stochastic right here is getting to very high points, and when it tends to curl, it tends to sell off. So could LAZR have a sell-off soon? Yes, it's very possible. You just want to be aware of these indicators and do what's best for you. Now, for weeks, I've been calling about this open gap you see right here, and it looks like today we closed the gap. So could this be a place where we tend to retrace? Yes, but I really think we might push up to about $7.94, maybe even $8 before we get a pullback. Why is that? Well, on the Fibonacci's, the 50 is right at $8 pretty much. So I could see us maybe going to $8, then maybe a pullback. If you look at a weekly time frame, I'm not gonna pull it up for all of you, but just looking at it on my screen, the RSI has a lot more room to run, right? We're at 55 right now, which I think is very good on a weekly time frame. We're not overbought. We're not obviously extremely oversold. We're right in the middle. So I'm really gonna be looking at the daily, not the weekly. And the daily right now for me is still hold. Of course, if you guys got any value, don't forget to drop a like. If you want to learn more about this and join the Patreon, check the links out down below. I don't know what's even open. If $5, $6, $7, some people cancel. We have over 160 active members, so check it out if you want. Join our private Discord. We have a lot of intelligent people in that do charts as well and call out different stocks. The last thing I'll leave you with is this trend line right here. I've been talking a lot about this. It has been trading this, so yes, we could pull back and test this yet again, a fourth time. We did 1, 2, 3, and then come down again in 4. Till we go for the next massive run up. But right now, I'm holding, I'm just hanging out. I'm following these indicators that I went over with you. We'll see you on the next one.